If you have been posting content online and you're not seeing any results, then you just might be missing out on the best part, which is turning your followers into paying customers. Hi there, my name is Benita and I'm a social media manager and marketer, and I help business owners grow their business on various social media platforms. And today I'm going to be showing you how to turn your followers into paying customers. That is how to get quality leads for your business with your social media channels. Let's get right into it. The first step is to optimize your social media profiles. And what do I mean? Like, your profiles don't just need to look good, they have to sell your products or services by just the customer looking at. They should be designed to turn your visitors into leads, visitors that come to visit your profile. Once they see your profile, once they see your bio, they know that this person is speaking to me, like, I need your product, I need your services in my life. You need to have a clear and compelling bio, a strong CTA, which is a strong call to action, and make sure that your contact information is very, very easy to find. So for instance, me as a social media manager that I am, my bio could be something like, helping small business owners grow with custom social media strategies for them. Send a DM for a free consultation today. So something like that, right? So make sure you optimize your profiles accordingly. 2, use lead magnets to attract your prospective clients. Now, what do I mean by lead magnet? A lead magnet is something valuable that you offer your prospective clients in exchange for their contact information, for their contact or their email address, right? We see this everywhere, every day. You see, to get a free template, to get access to that template, you have to put in your email address. So like, it's a win-win situation. It's a give or take. Nothing is really free in Freetown. So you could implement a strategy like that, right? Give out a free ebook or a discount or something, but then for them to get access to it, they have to drop their contact information or whatever it is that you need from them. This will help you to grow your leads, help you to also grow your email list in the long run. And the next thing is running targeted ads on social media, right? Running sponsored ads. I say this a lot, like, this is my go-to strategy every time. Like, I tell people, I recommend this to people that want to grow and that want to grow fast. Running sponsored ads will give you the best results you could ever imagine, right? And once you do it well, once you target the right audience, trust me, your ads are going to give you massive results. Honestly, trust me, guys. Like, you just need to know your target audience, and then you just need to budget right. I speak more about how to run your sponsored adverts, how to run successful sponsored ads by yourself. Like, you don't need to actually give people your password. You can do it all by yourself and get incredible results. I speak more about that in my sponsored ads training, and it's currently going for just 3,500 naira, and you can get access to it in the description box below, right? So if you want to learn more about running ads and how to get results from ads, so just get that training. It will help you. It will go a long way, trust me. And the next thing is engaging with your audience. Don't underestimate the value of engagement, guys. Like, if people respond to your post or if people comment on your post, please reply their comments, respond to their DM. You can also use interactive things like polls, quizzes to also engage with your audience. And also, people that have liked your post before in the past or commented on it before, also go back and like their post, go back and comment on their own post, so that they will see you too and they will check out your page. Who is this person that is liking my post, that is commenting? Then they will also like you and also even follow you, and in the long run they can also become leads in the long run. So right, just engage with your target audience in the right way. So the more they interact with your content, the more they are likely to actually convert into leads. And there you have it, guys, 4 simple yet effective and powerful ways to turn your social media followers into high-paying customers and to also generate leads with your social media platform. Once you start doing this, you can start attracting the right people to your business just by doing these little things. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like and don't forget to subscribe to get more effective, practical tips on how to grow your business on social media. And if you have any questions at all, please drop them in the comment section. I would really love to hear from you. Until next time, I'll see you again very soon.